Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Laplace transform, let us do some example problem regarding periodic functions. Look at this example. Find the Laplace transform of the half sine wave rectifier function f of t whose graph is given. Here the graph is given as half sine wave rectifier with the period pi by omega. Now from the graph it's obvious that f of t is a periodic function with period 2 pi by omega. Here the period is 2 pi by omega. Therefore this graph passes through point 0 0. Therefore the points may be 0 0 and pi by 2 omega to a, and you can say pi by omega to zeros. These are the coordinate points. The definition of f of t. Now you can say f of t is a sine omega t, where the limit is 0 is lesser or equal to t and lesser or equal to pi by omega. Now also it is 0 at the limits in pi by omega is lesser or equal to t and lesser or equal to 2 pi by omega. Here two set of limits is given here, and also you can say f of t plus 2 pi by omega means here 2 pi by omega is a period, so f of t can be expressed as f of t plus 2 pi by omega. Now Laplace transform of f of t equal 1 over 1 minus a power minus 2 pi s over omega into integral of 0 to 2 pi by omega e power minus ht into f of t dt. Because periodic function is f of t, therefore Laplace transform is like that. So which is equal a over 1 minus e power minus 2 pi s over omega into integral of 0 to pi by omega, because 2 pi by omega becomes pi by omega into e power st into sine of omega t dt, where here a is the amplitude. Further it is equal a over 1 minus e power minus 2 pi by s by omega into, by using integral by parts we are getting e power minus st over the square plus omega square into e power minus st into sine omega t. Integral of that function you can write like minus s into sine omega t minus omega cos omega t 0 to pi by omega. Now further it is expressed like a over, here you can write this one first, a square plus omega square into 1 minus e power minus 2 pi s by omega into, after giving the limits of 0 to pi by omega, we get omega e power minus pi s by omega plus omega, which is further equal omega a into 1 plus e pi s over omega. By simplification you are getting like over s square plus omega square into 1 minus e power minus 2 pi s over omega, which is equal, we cut one factor off, we'll get here omega a over s square plus omega square by simplification into 1 minus e power pi s over omega. This is the Laplace transform of the half sine wave rectifier. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.